Hello guys, in this video I will show you the process of creation of Jinx bomb, but in a bit different style than in Arcane. So yeah, let's get started. If you have desired to create such stunning time lapses like this, I've made special add-on for it that you can find in the description. First steps is to make blocking base, to achieve the forms from the concept. The entire model is built on modifiers. I prefer non-destructive pipelines to be able to return to any stage of the development process and make necessary adjustments. Here I showcase floaters. It's separate geometry elements that will be baked onto the high poly for added detail. This efficient method avoids complex mesh work and is widely used in game development. I divided the low and high poly models into non-overlapping baking groups. You can see how I arranged the hard edges and cut the island to achieve the most optimized UV mapping. I also straightened all the islands. I also decided to add a small animation. I create a rig and applied weight painting to animate the individual parts of the grenade. In Marmoset I baked the entire model. The result is excellent. Thank you for watching this video, hope you liked the result. If so, give me thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next videos. Have a nice day.